Hi guys, this is Lou and Skaggs and welcome to the channel. Now first I went to Walmart and I found these beautiful iridescent mirrors for $6.44. And in this section of the Dollar Tree I found these plates. There's this magenta, this green, and these iridescent plates. Now this iridescent plates goes so nicely with the mirror, so I grabbed quite a few of them, and this is what we're going to be using for this project. Now all the materials needed for this project would be found in the description down below. Now we could take the plates 3 at a time and cut them into half. Now we need 2 packs of these plates to make this mirror. Now if this is your first time here, consider subscribing and press the bell icon so you could be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now while we have our plates in 3s, we'll cut out the inside, leaving a little edge. Now this is all we need on the inside. This is just so that we could put our glue and cover this up. Now if you are doing the wall sconce, you may already have this spling wrap. This is one of the few things that I really like. I like the quality and the amount you get, that you could literally put on anything and make it look so expensive. So I'll always have these and I use this a lot on the channel. Now for this project we'll be cutting a few strips of these to use to cover up the edge. Now we need 7 flowers for each of the half of the plates. So we'll count 7 and cut them into strips. Now because it's 7 flowers, I found that it was easier to start gluing from the middle and come out to one end, and then start from here and come out to the other end. Now we'll just raise the piece up and glue the other side. And I found this to be the easiest way to do this part. And we'll do this for all the pieces that we need, and then we'll come back to put it together. Now if you don't have a ruler, it may be even better to use the mirror that we're working with to get the straight line, because you'll also see if it's long enough and make adjustments that way. Now we'll add 7 plates on the long side. So we'll continue making sure that it lines up, and then we'll come back. Now it helps when you're making the other side to have the first side down so that you could use that to mirror the other side, just to make sure that they are the same on both sides. This just makes it so much easier. Now once we're finished, we're going to attach the 2 sides. Now to glue on the strips, I found it easier to start from one end, glue on this side, and then glue the other end so that we see how much we have to adjust in the middle. So we'll start from this section. And we only need a little bit of glue because this is very light. Now we'll do the same on the other side and then come back and work on the middle. Now once we have our 2 sides glued on, we'll start gluing down the middle. Now we also want to keep in mind the other side when we're doing this readjusting, because we still want them to line up. Now for the top, we'll take 2 more and we'll try to make sure that they line up as well. Now once we're happy, we could glue it in place. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Now for this pattern, we'll skip the end and we'll glue 4 to the middle. We'll put some glue right in the middle, or we could put it on the highest point, but right here is just fine. And then press it into place. And we'll do 4 of these. Now we'll continue graduating down as we come out to the very last one. Now I'll be using command strips to hold it on the wall, and I'll be using double-sided tape at the edge just to keep down these edges. Now at the top we'll be gluing one more in place like this. This would just round it off and finish it off. Hold it in place until it's dried. Now we'll do the same for the other side. Now if you want, you could leave it clean like this, but if you want to be even more extra, you could add a row of the flower mesh shape wrap. Now I'm going to add a row of the flower mesh shape wrap. You could see the shift underneath, but this kind of covers it up a little bit and it still shows, so it gives it another layer of elegance. So I'll glue this on and then we could hang it up and see how it looks. Absolutely love the way that this mirror turned out. This was one of the more easier and more simpler projects to do, and I really like the elegance, and it just takes up such a big presence inside of the room. And it's really nice that for $6.44 and 2 packs of plates from the Dollar Tree, we could create such a wonderful piece. Now guys, I would love to know in the comment section down below if this is something that you like and if it's something that you'd like to try out. So thanks for taking the time out to watch this video. You have a blessed and awesome day. Now if you like this video, you may also like these as well. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.